Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Anthony, coming to you again from Burton & Sons on the Go Auto Service. Today we got this, I think it's a 2003. Let me double check. Make sure I'm right. Sorry, 2005. BMW X3. A customer came in with a complaint of high vibration in the vehicle. The whole vehicle shakes when you accelerate. Usually when you go between 30 and up, the whole car like vibrates like crazy. So did a lot of check-in, thought it could have been like a bad mount or something like that. Also thought it could have been like the shaft bushing, but it is not. Turned out it was the actual drive shaft. The U-joint was frozen. I mean, this is basically the new U-joint that you have here. Of course, you got to move the heat shield. The heat shield is actually covered this, so you just got to remove it real quick. Of course, it goes to the back here of the rear differential. So you got 4 bolts, 6-point that you have to remove. I'm just going to show you guys real quick the old one, and that's pretty much about it. It's very simple. I mean, at first I didn't really, didn't know what it was. It took me a minute. Then I had to do some research on it, and it turned out that the drive shaft is one of the most common problems. The U-joint on the back end of the shaft where it goes to the diff is what freezes up. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. My guy wanted to turn on his music, so we're gonna get out the way, let him finish doing his thing. Don't want him to curse me out. All right, so matter of fact, we're gonna go over to the bench. So I can just put this on the bench here. Okay, this is the old U-joint. I mean, the old drive shaft, as you can see.